Hello everybody, it is your girl Bria Van Kooten and I am back with another video. As you guys can read by the title, I'm here with a DIY video. It has been a while since I've done a DIY video, but I've been getting back into my creative bag and just coming up with new ideas, new concepts, new things to do. I've been wanting to do this DIY video for a couple months now. I bought this sweater back in May. This sweater right here, I bought it back in May, and when I bought it, my idea was to crop it and make it into like a crop turtleneck sweater. So I'm here today to do that on camera for you guys, to show you guys how I do it, and also I'm gonna style an outfit to put on with it as well. Of course, you know, if you guys don't know, I am a wardrobe stylist. I'm a freelance wardrobe stylist based in New York City. I love styling, I love fashion, I love putting outfits together, so I love creating new looks. So that's what we're gonna go do today. We're gonna DIY this sweater, crop it, and then I'm gonna show you guys what outfit I would wear with this. So if you guys wanna see the execution of this look, definitely stay tuned and let's get into it. So before we get into the DIY, I definitely want to say that I'm going to link throughout this video in the cards. I'm gonna link some other DIYs that I've done like years ago. Like I said, I haven't done a DIY on this channel in so long, so I'm gonna link it throughout the video, link it in the end screens at the end, and you know, link some like how to style videos of me styling things. So I'll link that in the video. But yeah, let's get right into it. Let's try on. I'm gonna show you guys the dress. We're gonna try it on, and then we're going to crop it, cut it, DIY it. All right, so yeah, let's get into it. But yeah, this is the dress. I thrifted it from Buffalo Exchange when I was in Los Angeles back in May. And like I said, when I saw it, I was like, okay, this is perfect for me to DIY and crop it, because I wanted to make it into like a cropped turtleneck. You guys can see it's a little turtleneck, black. It is a sweater dress, which is a super cute dress. I should have worn it first as a dress before I cropped it, because this would be definitely a cute outfit to throw on with some heels or like some boots and stuff. Damn, that's sad because I'm about to crop it. But I'll probably just find another sweater dress somewhere else and just buy it. But I definitely want to crop this, so I'm gonna do it. But it's super cute as a dress. I'm looking at it now like, damn, I should have worn it first as a dress, because now it's about to get cropped. But yeah, so I'm gonna crop it like right here. I'm gonna do like something above my navel and underneath my boob, like right halfway right here. So first things first, what we're gonna do is mark it where I want to cut it, and then we're gonna actually take it off, cut, DIY, all of that. Take the scissors and actually like mark it. So I think I'm gonna do like right here. So I'm just gonna like take it and then just cut like right there, so once I take it out, see that hole, see the little hole right there? So I know exactly where to cut it once I take it off. So yeah, let's get to DIYing. cut it and cropped it, as you guys see. I'm gonna show you guys the outfit that I'm gonna style with it. So we're gonna do this crop top, which I just cut, and then we're gonna style it with these trousers, some low-rise trousers that I got from Zara. So low-rise, and then we have the cropped, and then I'm gonna style them with some boots. I'm gonna style them with these croc boots right here. We're just gonna do an all black look. So yeah, let's get into how I'm gonna style this and put this together. All right, guys, so this is the final look. This is what we're going with. We're giving all black. We got my red hair, so the red hair stands out. We have the black shades. We have the turtleneck, cropped turtleneck, which I cropped. It looks super, super cute. Oh my God, super cute. It's giving very much Kim Possible. But love the cropped. And then, like I said, we have these Zara trousers that I got. And as you guys can see, it is low rise, so I like that. So we can get the crop moment. That is the vibe. That's what the vision that I had in my head, for it to be cropped, and then do some low rise pants, trousers, jeans, denim, whatever, so we can see the midsection. So, and then we got on the boots that I got from Steve Madden. So this is the look. And then, you know, if I want to style it up some more to wear out, obviously winter is coming. So if I want to wear this during the winter, I would throw on this leather jacket right here. Just throw it over my shoulder like so, giving very much, you know, Matrix vibes, very sexy. I love this look. I cannot wait to wear this out, but it's super cute. I would even style it, like I said, with some denim, some carpenter pants, some cargos, different trousers. I have been envisioning this top for so long, so it just feels really good to finally crop it, put it together, see the whole look come together. And I love trousers. Like, I love these trousers because it just makes me look really long. I'm only 5 feet. I'm short. So wearing trousers and having like a boot on, it just elongates the look. Oh, nah, super cute. Oh, and of course I threw on a little necklace. I just made it real simple. One chain. Usually I like layer up, but for this look I felt like one simple chain is good. We got the chain. We got my rings. Of course, you have the black nails, so it matches, but love this look. And then the red hair just adds a nice little accent, a nice little touch to the look. I'll probably put on like a red lip when I do like my makeup and all that, put on like a red lip just to give that little pop, or even put on a black lip to make it monochromatic. So giving very monochrome, giving body, giving sexy, and I love this look. But definitely comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the look. Let me know what you think of the crop sweater. Comment that down below. Let me know. I love to chat with you guys. Definitely like this video if you would like. Subscribe to my channel to see more. Go check out my previous videos. And of course, follow me on my social medias at Bria Van Kooten, my Instagram and my Twitter. And check out my blog, www.briavankooten.com. Guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, love.